how to use ChatGPT for business. For example, right here, I asked ChatGPT to help me create an email where I'll be following up on a company profile I sent to a potential client. And here we go. ChatGPT gives me a really, really good template, a good email template I can use. And this helps you clear out, those writer blocks. And you can also use ChatGPT to help you create marketing campaigns. Okay, just give it some description on your company. Let me show you. Okay, create a creative, marketing campaign ideas for a car rental company I own. And let's see what ChatGPT will give me. All right, let's see. Let's wait for the whole, execution of the prompt. Oh, look, this is nice. This is a good catchphrase. Drive your dream contest. All right, I like these. I like these. Okay, this one is also good. We're helping a cause by renting a car. Some flash sales, surprise upgrade. I like that as well. So you see, you can create some cool marketing campaigns, and then you can also ask it to help you with, okay, let me do this in a new chat and show you. I'll use it to help me create some unique selling points for my business, right? All right, so now I'm asking ChatGPT to help me come up with, unique selling points as a value proposition for my car rental business. And let's see what ChatGPT is going to give me right here. Let's wait for the whole, answer. All right, there we go. There's quite a few good ones. 24/7 customer support. And then here we have, easy to use website or app to help customers do booking, home or hotel delivery and pickup. So we will deliver the car directly to a customer's location. It's saving them time and hassle. This is a really good one. I like this one as well. A lot of companies are not transparent. They have a lot of surprise charges. So if we have a portable pricing, this could also be good, and eco-friendly options, especially in today's day and age. I can also ask it to create me a catchy name for my car rental business. And then I'll ask you to give me a nice catchphrase as well after this. I like, okay, Easy Ride Rentals, nice. Flexi Drive, Go Fleet Rentals. I want it to be more memorable, okay? Make it more memorable. So go ahead and interact with ChatGPT, and then it can go ahead and give you really, really good responses. See, now we're getting somewhere. Vibe Wheels, Snap Drive, Wheel Whiz, Spin Drive. Okay, these are nice. Help me create a catchphrase for Vibe Wheels. All right, so we're going to also create a catchphrase for marketing purposes, so people don't forget this. Look at this, guys. Catch the vibe, hit the road. I like that. Where every ride feels right. That's a really good one. So you can use it for things like this. And I can also ask it to create a copy for an email marketing campaign, right? All right, guys, there we go. So I have asked it to use the business name Vibe Wheels and the catchphrase where every ride feels right to write a cold emailing marketing campaign to send to corporates, right? So I've been very specific with it, and this is what it came up with, which I think is really, really nice and excellent. So what you can also use ChatGPT to do is analyze your, financial data. For example, a balance sheet. So I'm going to copy this data. Okay, Control C, go back to ChatGPT. Okay, analyze the below balance sheet. Put a colon and paste the data. I can remove this image for now and just paste the raw data, and I'll send this over to ChatGPT and watch ChatGPT analyze this whole balance sheet for us. Okay, here we go. It is analyzing this right now. Let me go ahead and wait for this. All right, so ChatGPT has some key takeaways for us. So the company is actually facing financial strains, has negative equity, and it's also telling us what it needs to do to basically improve our situation. And you can play along with ChatGPT, converse with it, and use it as your financial manager as well. And you can use it for many different things for your business.